Can you wave? Today, we are going to learn and play here in our pool with letters. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes! I am ready. Can you say it?
I'm ready.
Good job.
What is this?
What letter is that?
T.
T for tiger. Say T. Ta, ta, ta. What is this?
Tiger.
What does the tiger say?
Four.
Good job. What is the color of the tiger?
Orange.
Orange and black. Here's the black and then there's an orange. Okay. What is the next, baby? What else? Can you find the letter M for me? M. Good job. Can you show to friends? This friend, what letter is that? M. What is the M says? Monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. Mama. M for mama. Monkey. Mama is not a monkey, you silly baby. Mama. Mama. Can you show your friend the sign of mama? Mama. Say it.
Mama.
Say it like this.
Mama.
Mama.
Dada.
Dada. Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Good job. What is the next? Can you find the letter O? O. Oh, good job. You found it.
Oh.
O says
Oh.
O. O.
I forgot.
This is letter O.
I
Can you tell me what is the color of that?
forgot.
Orange. O. O. Orange.
Or cat meow.
Meow. I is not for cat. It's for letter. Here, letter C. Here, I found the C. C for
Letter C.
cat.
Letter C. Letter C.
You got the letter C. Cat. Cat.
C for cat meow.
Meow. What does the cat say?
Meow.
Good job.
Daddy hears that.
Oh, I heard garbage bin. B for bin. B. What is the B says b b ball.
B for ball.
Here, ball, and you have more there. Basketball.
Wow.
Woo! And then orange. Basketball. What else? Small ball. Big ball. Small ball. Big ball. And can you find the letter?
C.
You already found the letter C. T. This is T. Turtle. T. Turtle. T. Turtle. And then what else? D for D. D for duck. What does the duck say? What does the duck say? Quack, quack. Can you pretend that you're a quack, a duck? Quack, quack, quack. Can you do like this? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. I'm a duck. Quack, quack. D for duck. 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 Good job. Splash, splash, splash. And Mama found the letter P. P for I found a pig. There, it's right there. Go get it. Pig. Pink. Pig. Pink. Pig. Good job.
Bubble.
Baba, what about?
And this fish.
What else?
Where's the turtle? Where's the turtle?
Turtle. Where's the
My
turtle?
dad-
Here, the turtle. Here.
Can we
Turtle.
let's make bubble?
Let's make bubble. Okay, make bubble. Good job, you're making bubble. Me too.
Let's begin.
And squeeze it. Let's make bubble. And squeeze it. Say squeeze. Oh, does it squeak? What about the... Oh, H for sound letter. H. What is H says? H for... Where's the hippo? Hippo, where's the hippo? Oh no! Where is the hippo? Oh, here! H for... Where's the hippo? Oh, you found it! H for... Hippo. Good job, hippo.
What's up, pig?
Okay.
What's up, pig?
Where's the pig? Found it! The pig. What else? Oh, what is the letter for it? What is this letter? What letter is this? R says R. R says R. R for rabbit. What else? Roses. Rabbit. There we don't have any. Oh, another R. E. What letter is this? Show Mama. Tell Mama what is this? E for elephant. What does the elephant say? Hello. Hello. Stamp like an elephant. Stamp. Hello. Yeah, stamp. Mommy can stamp. Hello. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Let's tell Mama what is this? W. Water. W for water. W. Water. Good job. Water. Water. No!
I told you, I said, here it comes.
Plants only, come on, plants. A for apple. 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 G. Girl. G for girl. We are girls. Girl. Beautiful girls. M for milk. Good job. Feeding baby. Feeding baby. Good job. All done. Where? Okay, man, you feed more. Feeding baby.
Where's baby's eyes?
Where's baby's eyes? Poop. Where's baby's nose? Poop. Where's baby's mouth? Poop. Where's baby's toesies? Where's baby's head? Good job, baby. Feeding baby a milk. Good job, baby. Feeding baby. Good job.